I just wrote a jingle for it.
How does it go?
Na 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 na.
Credit builder loan.
Na, na, na.
Credit builder loan. Yeah. This month we are talking about credit. If you guys have been following our blog, have you been following the blog?
Oh, this blog.
This blog.
Yes, this one I have.
Yes. She's got this.
Yeah.
All about building, rebuilding credit and repairing credit.
Right, because that's different than knowing what is in good credit, right? You got to know the steps to fix the credit you already messed up.
First, you have to know where you stand.
Right.
You have got to see your credit report.
The whole report.
The
Not
whole
just
thing.
the number, the whole report. You need to know who is saying you owe money to. Because sometimes
That's
it can be medical, sometimes it can be, there's a lot of things that can be on there that you were like, oh shoot, I didn't even know that was in my name, right?
That's right. There are ways to dispute that, and of course, the credit union is here to help. I mean, we do that for our members all the time. If your financial institution isn't doing that for you, you need to find a new one.
Move on.
You need to come see us.
So that's step one.
Step one.
Knowing where you are. That's the foundation,
For
right?
sure.
So what I did when we were ready to begin fixing our credit was we built what they call a snowball plan.
And this is fantastic.
Yeah, so what this is you look at all the money that you owe, right? So what you can do is one of two ways. You can line them up in order of smallest to largest, or you can line them up in order of interest rate smallest to largest. So either balance or interest rate, line them up. And then what I like to do is smallest balance first. So what happened is we would get like a tax refund, right? For example, get a tax refund and pay that smallest balance off. So then you take that payment that you were paying to Home Depot or to whoever,
Maybe
and you
it was
apply
maybe $100 a month or
right.
something.
You take that payment and you apply it to the next largest balance or the next largest interest rate balance. And then you start making sometimes a double payment, right? And then you'll find out that you're paying that balance off at a clip, right? Really fast. I'm not kidding about the speed. The reason they call it snowballing is because it starts small, but really, really quickly, within a year, you can start seeing those payments mound up, and then finally, you're on your last loan and you're making $1,000 payments a month, and it's gone fast. But here's the thing you need to know. One of the biggest pieces of good credit is length of history.
Yeah.
So what you don't want to do is when you pay those loans off, if you can, so like installment loans, like credit cards, make sure the credit cards are staying open. Do not close them just because you've paid them off. If you close them when you pay them off, it will negatively affect your credit. And if you are just beginning, then go after that credit card to help you get started. But we also have a product called the Credit Builder Loan.
Credit builder loan.
Credit Builder Loan!
Credit builder loan.
The Credit Builder Loan.
Yes.
That was created
Great
specifically for people who are trying to fix their credit and maybe don't have the option of snowballing debt, right? Like maybe you don't have the big tax
windfall,
right?
extra.
Like something coming your way that's going to help you pay off any amount of debt, or maybe all of your debt's so big that starting small and paying off small loans isn't a thing. So what this is a loan that we created that allows you to make payments out of a savings account, basically, that we fund, and you make payments over 12 months. And what that does is it shows positive repayment history on your credit report, which is something that you desperately need if your credit is damaged.
Right.
A lot of people, in the short time that we've had this product, we've seen a lot of people use it and improve their credit. So don't sleep on that one. The Credit Builder Loan, it's very unique. Nobody else has a product like this.
Nope.
We designed it ourselves with the sole purpose of not making income, but helping people repair their credit.
Guys, we gotta get that number up. We do. And there are strategies and ways to do it. So find out where you start.
Yep.
Make a plan. Utilize the services of your financial institution.
Yep.
Come to the credit union. Talk about the Credit Builder Loan. Look at the lines of credit and the plastic credit cards as well. So you want to have a mix of credit. So you want to have those different trade lines. You want to have a credit card that you're utilizing, and that has a certain limit, and then you want to have that loan where you're agreeing to those terms and you're managing those well too.
Yep. So in closing, your credit might be whack. But that's all right.
Not.
But you're not whack. You're smart.
Yeah.
So come to the credit union. We'll help you fix your credit, make a plan, give you some tools, fix you up.
We got you.
Yeah.